Guam, the strategic base of the U.S. in the Asia-Pacific region. Why Guam? If you are a travel enthusiast, you may have heard of this small island, famous for its beautiful beaches, clear blue waters, and gentle waves. But don't let that peaceful appearance deceive you. Guam is also one of the strategic military bases of the U.S. in the Asia-Pacific region, where a few F-22 fighter jets scatter the fragments of tranquility. Surely you wouldn't expect that this island, only 540 square kilometers in size, holds such strategic importance. This is where the U.S. can rapidly deploy military forces like a gamer strategically placing a card in a game of chess that the U.S. military is playing with opponents in the region. You can imagine it like playing chess, where a small knight can control a large part of the board. 1. History of Guam, a victory since 1898. Let's go back in history a bit. In 1898, during the Spanish-American War, after winning the war, the U.S. took control of Guam from Spain. Since then, this island has become part of the U.S. military strategy in the Pacific. Not only a military location, but Guam has also become an important center in campaigns to protect U.S. interests in the region, especially as threats from other countries began to increase. In the 1940s, after World War II, the U.S. began building and strengthening military bases in Guam. By the 2000s, the military presence on the island was significantly enhanced, with the deployment of missile defense systems, fighter jets, aircraft carriers, and various other military forces. 2. Guam, the shield between the U.S. and the Asia-Pacific region. What makes Guam an indispensable part of the U.S. military strategy? First and foremost is the strategic geographical location of this island. Surrounded by the vast Pacific Ocean, Guam is situated at the center of important sea and air routes in the region, near hotspots like the South China Sea, the Korean Peninsula, and Japan. In other words, Guam is like a layover station on a long flight, where military forces can rest, refuel, and be ready to act if necessary. With advanced defense systems like THAAD and military bases, Guam is not only a companion of the U.S. in protecting interests in the region, but also an effective barrier against potential threats from disruptive countries. You can think of it as a guardian protecting the door of a large house, ready to act at any time if someone wants to invade. 3. Life in Guam, military, tourism, and an interesting mix. An interesting fact is that despite being an extremely important military base, the people here live in a relatively peaceful environment. This island is not only a refuge for military forces, but also a popular tourist destination with beautiful beaches, active volcanoes, and the rich culture of the Chamorro people, the indigenous inhabitants of Guam. With over 160,000 residents, Guam also has a large military community. Besides their national defense duties, soldiers can relax with outdoor sports, enjoy fresh seafood, and even participate in local festivals. Being in Guam feels like living between two worlds, one of safety and protection, and one of the vast ocean, where everything seems very fresh. One of the specialities in Guam is red rice and kalaguan. If you have the opportunity, don't forget to try them to discover that Guam also has an extremely unique culinary culture, even with military bases. 4. Guam, military base or a tourist island? You might be wondering, with all these military factors, can Guam become a tourist hub or not? In reality, Guam is gradually transforming into an ideal destination not only for those who want to experience military life, but also for those who want to relax amidst beautiful nature. Beaches like Tumon Bay or Manangon Hills not only attract international tourists, but also serve as places for U.S. soldiers to relax after intense training months. Guam, with the combination of military and tourism, is perhaps one of the rare places where you can witness rigorous training exercises and leisurely sunbathe on the beach without worrying about anything. 5. The future of Guam in the U.S. military strategy. Guam continues to play a key role in the U.S. military strategy in the Asia-Pacific region. With its strategic location and the presence of advanced defense systems such as THAAD, Guam is not only a military base, but also a shield protecting U.S. interests, especially in the context of tensions with major powers like China and North Korea. In the future, Guam will remain an important military hub, where U.S. forces can quickly respond to emergencies. Any crisis in the Asia-Pacific region can be handled from here, with the presence of warships, fighter jets, and modern defense systems. In addition to its military role, Guam is also rapidly developing in tourism and improving the quality of life for its people. This island is not only a hot spot in the U.S. military strategy, but also a tourist destination with beautiful beaches and a rich cultural heritage. Therefore, Guam will continue to be a symbol of the combination of military and tourism, blending strength with natural beauty. Conclusion: Guam, a small island with a huge impact on the U.S. military strategy in the Asia-Pacific region. From a strategic military base to an ideal tourist destination, Guam is where powerful forces intersect with magnificent nature. In today's modern world, Guam continues to play an important role, serving as a shield protecting U.S. interests and an indispensable part of the regional security narrative. If you want to explore the world of the military without missing moments of relaxation, Guam is the place to go, where you can find both war and peace, fighter jets, and beautiful beaches.